Gold today has reversed from the resistance levels at 1930, and at the same time silver too has come down from the resistance at 23-23-20 zone. Now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the second update for the day. Those who first watched the first update definitely would have profited. Now also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first with the early charts. See, gold on the early charts is broken this flag formation and now moving downwards. However, as we discussed several times since last couple of days, that is yesterday and today, that 1918, 1920 is a very strong support zone, and only sell entry I will recommend if it stays below 1918, below that 1915, 1910, and then we will see it hitting 1900 levels. Right now it has come down to the support levels at 1918, 1920 zone. Very strong support exists here. Now if you look at a stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to the 2 hour, similar is the observation, lower highs, and there is a breach here. However, it has just come to the support level. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to cross over, and this we discussed in the Asia session update, that look at the slope and possibly it could converge, and that is what is happening here. RSI looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness here. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts as well, this is the first breakout candle and it has come to the support levels below 1918, 1915, very good support, and then below that we may see 1908, 1900 levels. Stochastic has dropped here too. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. See the first wave and the second wave here, and possibly a little crossover before it looks over to an upward move. But right now it is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, so an important point to note here is lower highs we had seen, drop, retracement, again looking downwards. First thing is 1918 zone it needs to break, then 1915, and below that you can see 1908. If it does, certainly lower highs, lower lows, and that does mean that we may see it hitting going close to 1900 levels, but it has to stay below 1918, 1920 zone. Very strong support exists here. Again and again I am reiterating it. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to cross over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over, it is still in green. RSI also looking downwards. And coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts, an important observation is the lower highs are beautifully well aligned. All the 3 candles, yesterday's and last trading session there, all the 3 candles are beautifully aligned, and after aligning to this, the top, it is trying to now drop. And if you draw a parallel here, you will find 1820 very strong support. Now possibly you can initiate a buy entry. If you see it trading above 1925, you can buy. However, wait for it to break past 1930. Remember, this is the zone at 1935-40, which is the strongest resistance. The stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is almost flat and trading at. Considering this, you can buy here at 1925 levels. However, remember 1928-32 very strong, and then till 36-40. There are 4 levels in between where the maximum resistance is visible. Hence, any position you are taking on a buy side, now you have to put a stop loss at cost, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. On the downside, you can sell here at 1918. However, 1915, 1908, 1900 are 3 levels which it needs to pass by in order to confirm further bearishness. Below 1915, more bearishness may prevail. We may see 1900, if not today, possibly by tomorrow, and below that further bearishness is going to be seen, and hence take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my signals channel. Now coming to silver on the early chart, see first of all a consolidation breakout, a little rise, and as we discussed several times, since yesterday that 23-23-20 zone is a very strong resistance. Also it was trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence it has got a pullback. Now if you look at the complete movement here, it started from somewhere at around 2275 levels. Hence the possible sell entry I will recommend is now only below 2270. And if you are taking a sell entry 2270, remember till 2240 just put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Very strong support at 2260, 50, 40 levels. Below 2240 only further bearishness is going to be visible, or you can observe bearishness below that levels only. Now on the hourly charts, one bigger candle, one spiral candle, this move, see this zone at 2285, you can see multiple candles getting resistance here. Now it is getting the support here. Also you can see the complete move here, and this here, this is still to be treated as a retracement till the time it respects the lows at 2270 level. So till the time it respects 2270, possibility of it to bounce back will remain very high. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour charts, moving averages have converged. This zone at 2280, 2270, very strong support zone exists here. And in fact, till 2260, there is greater support. Hence, you have to be watchful here. At the same time, if you see it trading above 23, certainly you can buy and expect it to rise more. Below above 23, you can expect 23.10, 23.20 till 23.20, very strong resistance, and beyond 23.20, we may see it hitting 23.50 levels, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is also now started to look downwards, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 3 hour charts, see first of all, look at the 3 hour chart. See, higher lows were seen so far here. This candle has tried to breach on the downside. Also, if you look at this, was a narrowing triangle. See the bullishness getting diminished here. Now it has tried to certainly it is trying to give a breakout. However, remember 2280, 70 is a very great support, and then below 70 only further bearishness to be observed. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is also almost flat here. And on the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation. Also, it can reverse here. We have to be watchful here. It can reverse completely and then continue with the upward move till towards 2315, 2320 levels. This is the level where it is going to get the maximum resistance on the upside. Stock, you can see exponential moving average have started to converge. Good sign for the bulls there. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, willing to converge crossover. RSI is also almost trading flat. On the daily charts, if you look at, first of all, look at the bottom of this channel. Now the support levels are seen at 2260, 2250 levels. And only if it breaks this, you can treat this as a retracement and then a reversal. Remember, see the bearishness was with bigger candles. The reversal or retracement is with smaller green candles, which indicates that the bullishness is not there. It is just a retracement. Second thing is, look at the candle size. It has started flat and with a small wick, and this candle might remain in green and possibly till the time it stays above 2270. In fact, till 2250 also, the possibility of a chance of a bounce back will remain strong. Hence, about 23 you can buy, expect 2320, 2340 levels as the next resistance, and only about 2340 further bullishness to be observed. On the downside, a sell entry is only below 2270 levels. If you see it trading below 2270, just stay short for 2240 levels till 2240. Very strong support exists at 6050 and then 2240 levels. Only below 2240 further bearishness will be observed. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.